Okay, so right now we're going to talk about extending the mini duct. Now there's two kinds of extensions we're going to talk about. The first one is this. When you're actually extending the mini duct, talk to us if you need to talk to us about it, but generally we can extend the mini duct by a couple of meters using a smooth bore straight tubing. And this particular one we get it from Screwfix, and it's a 69mm smooth bore pipe plastic. Okay, so it's not expensive, it's easy to get hold of, and the reason we go for smooth bore is it doesn't add to the resistance. So when we extend the mini ducts, it doesn't cause us a problem with airflow. Okay, we can extend using mini ducts, where you put two mini ducts together, but then you're going to lose up to 20% of your airflow. Sometimes you need to do that, but in most cases you can usually get away by putting a section of straight hose, a straight tube in. So we take a standard foil backed duct wrap, and the foil back is important because we do want that vapor barrier, and we just wrap the tube in it. Okay, pretty straightforward. Cut what you need, wrap it over, aluminium tape, and you're done. That's quite easy. And then what you're going to do with your mini duct is you're going to cut the mini duct, and really this is an important area. We don't want to cut in half. We want to really cut right up near the plenum. So leave as much of the mini duct as possible at the end. So you have your sound attenuation working down near the vent plate outlet where people are going to be listening. So keep up to at least 2 meters of sound attenuated mini duct where possible. So you cut the mini duct, I've prepared one here, and you'll have left a section of the smooth bore 69mm tube free, and we just insert that in like this. Okay, you're going to aluminium tape the inner core. You can see the inner part of the mini duct here. Ali tape that on so it's secure. Put a Tech screw through it if you prefer. Then bring the insulation up and finish that off with tape, and now you've got an extended piece. So it's quite straightforward, quite easy to do. A little tip is that if you know you're going to have to do this on a particular job, do it before you get to site. If you know what you need to do, have it all wrapped when you arrive to save time, because you don't quite know what kind of work environment you're going to have. So when you're preparing this, I've usually done it on the floor. Be careful with your Stanley knife when you're cutting the insulation, just in case you're on a finished floor. Make sure you don't go through and damage the floor. If it's a flagstone floor or you're out in the yard, obviously take care with your knife, and do use all health and safety precautions. So that's extending the actual mini duct. Okay.